Church? Kangaroos. Bracelet. Yeah, come here, so I don't buy nothing. I'm gonna buy up some food and like I said. Oh, the thing nice and cheap. All the fruits right there. Try to buy some mangoes, guys, for cheap. You all your shopping here for.
Hey, bro.
Church?
Big
church there. This church is massive. Massage. A lot of stuff here. It's like a mini shopping center or something here. Kangaroos, bracelets, these are statues, a lot of stuff.
Only 50 pesos. Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up? Wow. Eh? You want something? Beauty spot. Been around forever, guys. This is like a big square, this big church, just right here. You have a lot of people here taking pictures and stuff. Was that Moses? What's up? No, not yet, not yet. So we're in Quiapo. We're in Quiapo, Philippines. We're gonna go check through the market and see what's going on. A bunch of people taking picture by the church. Rambutan, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Rambutan. Yeah, come here, so I don't buy nothing. I'm gonna buy up some food and like I said. I look for some mango too.
Sarap yan, like.
nice and cheap. All the fruits right there. But I have to get the mango in, sir. Yes, no. That's cool. I have to get the mango and the clothes and all them good stuff. And the brief. This is like the market side of Quiapo. It's mostly produce, fish, fruits and vegetables. You know, you have some accessories like clothes. Most things look pretty fresh too. Most of the fruits and vegetables look fresh, cheap, very nice price. Out here is like the main street. Main street out here. Oi! Yo! Eu já não dou mais, precisa já com isso. Quanto? Mas tá para de What is up, black half never in the slot? Here, finance over this. Jackfruit. Jackfruit. One dumb this one. No sir, dumb sir. Yeah, I'll leave it. Is that it? Come on. Come on. How much is the jackfruit?
Jackfruit?
No.
100.
Just for one?
Yes.
Very good. Small two one.
Oh, man. Buy a whole drop for one. Great.
Try to buy some mangoes, guys.
A bank machine or something.
Bank machine, ATM. I can tell you, Quiapo, guys, is where you come and do all your shopping, man, for cheap. You do all your shopping here for cheap. like one big shopping center, like a big market. Things are very affordable, man. Like we just saw some mangoes for like 65 kilo. And like when we went to BCG, it was almost like 200 for half kilo. So it's like a big difference. So you're here in the Philippines and you want to shop, definitely come to Quiapo. If you want to shop for cheap.
Confident. Who's in that one?
Welcome to the Philippines.
I love the Philippines. Before here.
These guys are always happy, man.
Love it. I think it's Cebu. My first time in here.
Don't take the muros, but get there. The muros.
The road, I gotta leave now, man. I'm not in a rush.
Oh, yes. Yes, go back. Why back you? My friend, no back you. It's bad. The muros. You got to take the muros. The muros.
Maldives, I'm going.